Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acquiescence. 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 Acquiescence is a noun that refers to the act of agreeing, complying, or accepting something without expressing active protest or resistance. It implies a passive form of agreement or submission. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Couples in long-lasting relationships sometimes achieve acquiescence by letting go of minor disagreements to maintain harmony. Why acquiescence is used in example number 1. Acquiescence describes the art of compromise and maintaining peace in relationships. Example number 2. By not voicing objections, individuals can demonstrate acquiescence to decisions made in group settings. Why acquiescence is used in example number 2. Acquiescence illustrates agreement through silence. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.